What's up everyone? Today we are looking at the Wonderboom 2. This is the new upgraded version from the Wonderboom 1, which just gets a few little upgrades, such as it has an outdoor boost button, which instantly boosts loudness and clarity with audio tune for outdoor listening. Now what they say is this one has a lot more bass, the sound is a lot more intense, and basically just all round louder. Now some of the upgrades you do get with this one is a 13-hour battery life, as opposed to the Wonderboom 1, which has 10 hours. So that's 30% longer. It's waterproof and dustproof, so this is IP67, which is an upgrade over the last one, which was only IPX7. So it can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. And it's now dustproof, so that helps with sand and anything else. Other upgrades you get is apparently double the sound plus true wireless stereo. That's something they are advertising. And a vibrant two-tone fabric, whereas the previous model was a one-tone fabric or single tone. So there's another upgrade as well. So let's get right into it, see what we're going to have a look at inside. Just gonna open it. 2 years warranty as well, and your 30-meter Bluetooth range. Now let's just have a look what you see. So this is the grey/orange color. Now if you're going to open it, you get that little pull there, unseals it, and there it is. So get to know Wonderboom 2, press and hold to pair, then short press to power on off. So there are your two options there, and then a short press to play pause and double press to skip. So that's the buttons on the top. Then you've got plus and minus for your volume, or you can simultaneously press basically the plus and minus at the same time, and it'll tell you the battery level, or just check on your phone. Then you can switch on off outdoor boost, which will be at the bottom, and lift the weather door to charge with the USB cable. So there it is. Now I really like this color, the gray with the little orangish sort of thing. There is your outdoor boost button. Here is your charger input. It's a shame that it's still a micro USB. I would have been expecting a USB-C or USB 3. You've got these stickers here as well, which are nice. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. It does the typical noise. There's your outdoor boost. Little tree button, and there's your Bluetooth pairing button, your play pause, and your volume. So you double press, and there's your battery level apparently that it tells you, and there it is. It feels pretty good. The fabric is really nice, the colors contrast quite well. What else have you got in the box? You've got your micro USB cable, just a white one, not as colorful as the yellow, orange, or the other colors that they give. And what else is in here? Want to double the fun? Press and hold the center button to connect to and toggle between mono/stereo mode. That's actually quite cool. I like that. So if you've got multiple of these little devices, you can link them up and get more of the sound. But there is the Wonderboom 2. The review will be up shortly, so stay tuned for that. It'll be in the description below, and there it is. Overall it seems pretty good. The upgrades seem pretty cool. Not too much to be disappointed about. Overall it feels good, looks good for the small size and the form factor, and that it does the outdoor boost with a lot more bass and a lot more sound. It will be a good addition to make it quite portable and affordable as well, coming in 99 Aussie dollars. So there it is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.